Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive into how to use UPBASE for effective product launch planning. First up, let's log in or sign up for UPBASE. It's a streamlined platform designed to help project managers and product teams stay organized and focused. You'll find that the interface is user-friendly and intuitive. Once you're in, the first step is to create a new project. Click on New Project, name it, and specify your product launch as the type of project. This helps UPBASE tailor the project environment to suit your specific needs. Now that we've done that, let's move on to setting up our timeline. Go to the Timeline section, add important milestones and deadlines related to your product launch. The reason we do this is to have a clear roadmap for our product launch. It's crucial to keep everyone on the same page about the progress and what needs to be done next. Next up, let's add tasks. Click on Add Task. Input the task description, assign a team member, and set a deadline. You can also add subtasks if needed. This helps us because it allows us to break down the big picture into manageable parts. It promotes accountability and ensures that every detail is taken care of. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. UPBASE is creating a visual representation of your project, making it easier to track progress and identify bottlenecks. The final step is to utilize UPBASE's communication features. Use the chat function for quick discussions or the comment section under each task for more detailed conversation. This is crucial because clear communication is the backbone of any successful project. Let me explain why this matters. UPBASE's integrated communication tools eliminate the need for back-and-forth emails, ensuring that all important information is stored in one place and easily accessible to all team members. And that's it. You're now ready to use UPBASE for your product launch planning. Remember, the key to a successful product launch is a well-planned strategy, and tools like UPBASE are here to make the process easier and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more of our tutorials to get the most out of UPBASE.